And of course I come home late, working all day. At work and then in the shop. And I come to, my wife's having a problem with the garbage disposal. I spun it, didn't want to turn on, checked the electricity, had power. There's this stupid switch. Well, of course, whenever I pulled it out and I was carrying it, I freaking ended up breaking it. But it's called a stopper switch. Honestly, I never used it. I mean, I never even seen it been used ever. Supposedly when water comes out enough and it pushes this thing. Bull crap, man. But it wasn't online. Nobody knows what the flip it is, man. At least nobody has a video of it. So it's a Maytag model number. I don't know. Oh, here it is. Heavy duty motor, auto reverse, full circle, sound insulated, stainless steel shredded, whatever. This is their insulation. I mean, it's literally. I mean, the sucker is quiet. I like it, but I wasn't gonna get a new one. I knew because the motor turns over. I'm like, there's no way that the motor can die in these things. So there's that. It's a stupid little switch. Oh, I'm gonna use a wire nut. I'm not putting this thing back in there. I had to drop the damn thing. That sucks. Oh, live on.